Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel and our kayaking adventures. Today we're at River Road Park in Wilmington, North Carolina, and we're going to go look for some shark teeth. So join us on this adventure.
Father's Day weekend, Miss Kayak7seas and our daughter planned for us to go on an adventure to Wilmington, North Carolina. After a 5.5-hour drive, with a stop halfway to pick up our daughter, we arrived, checked into the hotel, and went out to enjoy a nice meal. On the following day, our adventure began. Our first stop of the day, we visited the USS North Carolina. I will post a separate video showing you that mighty ship. We arrived at River Road Park just a little before 11 a.m. We wanted to make sure we launched our kayaks just before low tide, so that way we would have a better chance of finding shark teeth once we paddled to Sharktooth Island. Sharktooth Island wasn't very far from the boat ramp. This was going to be a short paddle. After arriving, we set up our gear, launched our kayaks, and paddled into the Cape Fear River. Our Sharktooth sifters, which you will see later on in this video, were made by me in preparation of this trip. If you're interested in seeing a tutorial on making your own Sharktooth sifter, let me know in the comments. If there's enough interest, I'll make it one of my next flip-flop repair shop videos. Since this was a short trip, we decided to kayak around to the back of the island to get in as much paddling distance as possible. We also wanted to make sure to scout out a nice area. There appeared to be a number of people at the front end of the island, and we figured with less people, the better our chances to find shark teeth. With this being our first time shark tooth hunting, we really didn't know what to expect. Sharktooth Island is a spoil island that was created in the late 1800s when the shipping channels were dredged deep enough for large ships to pass through. The islands consist of sand, sediment, and limestone rock that the University of North Carolina Wilmington geologists estimate is between 35 and 40 million years old. Visitors of Sharktooth Island can comb through 2 acres of sand, seagrass, and rocky shoreline to search for fossilized shells, shark teeth, and other treasures. Once we found a spot, we beached our kayaks and started our hunt for shark teeth.
You did?
Yeah. Keep looking, though, won't we?
Ah!
What?
Oh my goodness!
What?
Fish bit me!
Fish bit you?
Oh my goodness!
Let it bite.
What do you mean it bit you? It did bite you.
It did!
Did it hurt?
Yes!
Did it hurt with a fish?
I don't think it was, I think he just straight next to him.
No! I saw the fish!
She's catching fish with her toes.
No!
I can show you what they look like. Yeah, my first dip, I found one. I haven't found any since. I'm gonna put it
Oh, maybe it was a crab.
Oh, I pinched it, yeah. I was pinched.
That's why I'm nervous around these rocks. Because I know that they're gonna...
It's gonna fall through the grate. That's a tiny one. Look at this one. That's a nice one now.
Oh, wow.
Oh no, are you kidding?
No, he's stuck in the thing.
Oh
Get
no.
out of there. I'm going to pinch you. Get out. What are you doing? Can't get out. Okay, there he is. I'm going to put him in the water now.
Oh, I cannot see. It is broken one.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I found it. I found it. Even broken one.
Eat that one. That's a decent sized one.
That's a really big one.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness. Look at this.
Apparently we were looking in the wrong spot the entire time.
Come this way, no. The wave is coming.
I found one.
Oh yes. You have to kind of dig up the sand. Oh, I found it!
Oh, you're really deep too.
Look.
Oh, nice one.
The fish with the catching a fish with this thing is the highlight.
Ooh. Broken one. We got a broken one. Another broken one. Oh no, that's a tiny one.
As low tide passed and the water started to rise, we decided to try our luck at one of the other spoil islands in hopes that our shark tooth hunting luck would continue. Paddling to the next island would be easy. We had the current with us.
Oh my goodness. Who's right?
The water was a bit choppy, but it did feel light to paddle. I found it quite enjoyable. As we approached the next island, we decided that it might not be as optimal for shark tooth hunting as we thought, so we turned around and tried to head back. Turning around, we now had the current against us. It was going to prove to be quite difficult getting back to the boat ramp. As we struggled with the current, we decided to paddle back over to Shark Tooth Island and maybe wait out the wind and current and potentially find more shark teeth. While on the island, several other people struggled to paddle back toward the boat ramp, each having their own difficulty. One girl lost her balance on her sub, and a small group of us went to assist her.
Sand or rock? Are they gonna pull?
Maybe. I don't know where they're going.
I got life jacket. She does not have a life jacket. Oh, I think they're gonna drag her. Yeah.
She did have a life jacket on her vessel. However, she had such difficulty time in the water, she could not reach it. This is an example why you should always wear your life jacket. A group in a john boat made sure she got back to the boat ramp safely.
You should stay close to the island first.
After waiting a while, we decided our best to paddle back to the boat ramp. I had hoped that we could stay close to the island as we paddled, so that way if we had any difficulties, we could at least catch the current and make it back to the island. However, the wind and the current pushed us towards the marsh area, making it quite the struggle getting back to the boat ramp. We certainly were going to get our exercise in for the day. The struggle was certainly real getting back. After quite the workout, we finally made it back to the boat ramp, a little more exhausted than our usual adventures. But it was a good trip. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our visit to Sharktooth Island, located in Wilmington, North Carolina. Be sure to let us know by clicking that like button. If you're new to this channel or a returning visitor and have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on our next adventure. Let me know your thoughts on this adventure in the comments. Until the next time, hope to see you out on the water someday.